Hi, this is Dave Slocum, Gainesville, Florida. This is a 68 Corvette coupe. This was a frame-off restoration. Restoration began in 2004 and was finished in 2014. It has a 354 volt main in it with a full Elderbrock power pack in it and an M22 rock crusher, and the car has been lowered by 1.5 inches. QA1 shocks for the suspension. And then on the front we have 427 springs and a big block sway bar as well. The motor is it's a 354 volt main. It was actually made by enginecompany.com. And so it was fresh off the dyno. It had about 410 horsepower. And then the radiator is a custom radiator done by the folks in Lake Elsinore, California. To actually fit the frame and also get enough cooling for the engine, for the wattage coming off the engine. The wheels are American Racing with PVD coating, 17-inch, 10 inches wide, with Nitto tires on it. It's a Muncie M22 4-speed. The rear end the gear is very, very low. It's about a 393. Yeah, that's the old school steering wheel in it. And even though the car isn't stock, I try to keep as many stock parts, the unique parts, especially of the 68 on it. The door handles, the steering wheel, the reverse lights are unique to that. The restoration, believe it or not, started in Pennsylvania. And then because I was overseas for a period of time, it was delayed. And then part of the restoration was actually done by a friend in California, and then finally, or in Michigan, and then finally it was finished in California. The paint is a paint color off a Harley motorcycle. I don't know the name right offhand, but it's been a really, really nice color to work with. One of the nice things to do, the gentleman that did the paint and the body work on the car actually restored all the points on the fenders. On these older Corvettes, they have a tendency to get dubbed off when the cars get repainted and people sand on them. So he restored all the lines on the fenders of the car. And then just to make life simpler, I replace all the vacuum apparatus with electric apparatus on the car. Yeah. I put the big block hood on the car for two reasons. Number one, I needed clearance of the high-rise manifold, the Elderbrock, and also I wanted to remove the vacuum wiper covers there, so it covers it all up. It's very nice the way it integrates. Yeah, they asked me if I wanted the cap on the radiator. I said no, I wanted the cap to remain on the reservoir. So they modified the radiator and gave it to me as you see it there. It was made just for this car.